Welcome back. It's taken me a bit, but this is going to be the last video on the custom Widebody Civic until I upload again. But I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. I did as I promised in my last video, and I re-welded my front bash bar because the last one was just too crooked, and it's bolted on so I can take it on and off whenever I want. I also fixed my right hand rear wide body flare because compared to the other side, it wasn't symmetrical. Now, if you read the title of the video, that's right, we're going to be wrapping the Civic. Have I ever wrapped a car before? No, I have not. Will it end up looking good? I guess we'll find out. We have quite a bit of prep work before we can wrap the car. Like this, also this when my gazebo fell on my car, and all this. I think you get it, we've got a lot of work we have to do. I decided I'm not going to make a front bumper for the Civic because I actually have some other future plans that just don't mix with it. So for now, we're just going to be painting the bash bar in this cool metallic gold color. I don't know, I think it's pretty gold. I think this is going to look mad goofy. While the paint dries, we can start stripping the car. Okay. While the hatch is off, I'm going to try fix all this rust back here. Honestly, it looks pretty bad. Hopefully once I grind it down, hopefully it just all disappears. Happy days, but we'll find out. I must say there was a bit more rust than I expected. But now that I've cut the majority of it out, I don't really have to worry about it really coming back. Considering the time frame I only have 3 days until I go to Japan, so I can't really fix this up properly at the moment. But at least it's off the car, so I don't have to look at it. About time I get this car prepped for the wrap, so let's get into it. Oh, can you hear that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing ASMR on the Ek Civic. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go over it with this blower real quick, then we can go back over, fine sand it, and the body should be pretty good. I know my windscreen's cracked, but you know, I don't really care to be honest. But I'm going to go over, give these windows a good clean as well, because I've got some stickers putting on the car, so it's got to be pristine. When I was making my rear wide body fenders, I did drill a lot into the body of the car. Most of those holes I'm not using anymore, so I'm going to go quickly weld them up so I don't have to look at them. The time has finally come. I have the vinyl wrap for the Civic. This has been sitting in my garage for the past year. That is not a joke. And we finally get to use it. I wouldn't have been able to build this car without the help of a lot of sponsors, including Car Wrap Online, who were nice enough to send me out some wrap for the Civic. I didn't really want to go with a crazy color. I thought black was good enough. This is just a simple glossy crystal black. Once again, I have never wrapped a car in my life, and I have 1 day to do it. So let's get started. Oh, it's not looking good, eh? It is not looking good. So you see all these tiny little dots? The primer has started to come up off the bumper, and it's ruined this piece of vinyl. Only the bonnet and the two front fenders are the only things that I have to worry about for the primer peeling off, because everything else is on its original paint. It just means I have to re-sand down the bonnet and two fenders, which sucks, because I don't have that time. While I wait for my bonnet to dry, I'm going to put my Michael Jackson gloves on, and I'm going to start wrapping the rest of the car because there are 3 hours of this day left. I don't even know where to begin, I'm gonna be honest. Currently 7:20, we're not even halfway finished the wrap. Oh, okay, here's where I'm meant to cut down here.
Wait, hang on, are you sure? Hey, do you want to look, or you just know?
Yeah, I just know. It's currently 2 in the morning, still wrapping the car. Quick update again, it's 4 o'clock at the moment. I'm gonna not record anymore because I really want to get this done and hopefully have some updates for you once I am. As you can tell, this isn't a transition to my car, but a transition to Japan. And I'm back. For you, that was a couple seconds. For me, that was 2 weeks. Unfortunately, I didn't get the car done in the time frame that I set for myself. And since I rushed wrapping the car, there's a lot of air bubbles and stuff I have to fix. Also, this is pretty much my first time seeing the vinyl on the car in daytime because I did it during night. It's pretty dirty at the moment, so you can't really see, but there are little imperfections on the top. I got better as I went. This rear quarter panel came out quite nice. There's a piece of trim that goes up over here, but I will try fix this as well, make it look a little bit more tidy. Small stuff like this I want to heat up and fix, you know, just to make it look that tiny bit better, even though this isn't going to be a show car. I also thought it would be a good idea to freshen up my headlights, so I've got some clear coat. We're going to sand this down, and then it should look like this, which is the other one that I already did, and that looks brand new, so that's amazing. Finally prepped the whole car and we're starting to put it back together, all the trim parts and everything that hasn't been on the car. Oh yeah. Look at that. Those used to be silver, now they're black. This right here is the last piece to the Civic build. For the past year, I've been working on my own brand, JDMDEN, which includes these universal floor mats. I made sure they were of the highest quality and a bunch of custom stickers which will be coming out with the floor mats. I'll quickly show you these, but we'll quickly put them on the car straight after this. And I will be making a bunch of different designs, but this is it for now. All of these products will be available for pre-order at my website, JDMDEN.com, which I'll link in the description below. I made these floor mats a year ago to release once the Civic build was done, and there is a limited stock of 100 sets, so once they're gone, they're gone. But let's quickly put them in the car because I've been waiting way too long for this moment. I don't think I need to show you guys how to install stickers, but we've already gone ahead and slapped them on. And then we've got the small JDMDEN sticker, and then personally my favorite, the Dreamer sticker, which I've chucked on the rear. Inside, the car's looking bougie as. Here's a close-up of the stitching underneath as well. I tried to find the best supplier possible and it took me a while, but these guys did it perfectly. So if you do get one of these 1 of 100 set of floor mats, they are amazing condition. But big thanks to Unique Style Racing for sending me out some clear tail lights, which we're going to put on the car. I tried my best to take the tail lights out of this box, and these just went everywhere, but it's okay, I'll clean it up later. Like always, I love giving back to everyone who watches my videos, so if you order the tail lights in the description below with LED bulbs, you'll get a 10% discount from Unique Style Racing, so make sure you use that discount code. They sent us a nice goodie bag, which is very nice of them. Got a bunch of stickers and air fresheners. Oh, I dropped one. Here's a little Civic, and a nice little white shirt made by them as well, which is very cool. I'm actually going to put the shirt on because it's very cold outside at the moment. Looks like they do mugs too for a nice cup of coffee in the morning. First up, most importantly, bubble wrap. LED bulbs. More bulbs. More bulbs. Oh, more bulbs. Damn, okay, that's nice. This is going to make the Civic look so much better. This is insane. Before, after. Before, after.
Oh, good stuff. We then have to take the little wire harness from the old tail lights and then put them onto the new. And the tail light bulbs, I won't be able to use them because I accidentally broke one. Accidentally, but you know, that's my fault. And this one goes in here. Look at that. All done. I got the packaging everywhere. This is terrible. But these guys are definitely your go-to place if you need LED bulbs or clear tail lights, because they look sexy. I thought it would be rude not to get some daytime shots of the car since we have spent over 1 year building it. You got to ignore the watermarks, but I forgot to dry the car off yesterday. Pretty happy with these stickers as well. I will be making some more designs. I do want a bigger banner up the front later on. I also want to add JDMDEN isn't going to be some pump and dump company. I have a lot of big plans for it in the future. And if it means anything, I also got it tattooed on my leg. But now that the Civic's at a pretty good checkpoint, I would say, I can finally get started on my dream car, which is what I started social media with, my Mark III Supra. I just want to give a quick thanks to Car Wrap Online and Unique Style Racing, which will be linked in my description, for helping me finish off the Civic. All the JDMDEN products you saw in this video, stickers, floor mats, will be available for pre-order in a few days. So make sure you follow all the JDMDEN accounts, which is where I'll be announcing the first drop for the products. Also, all the profit from JDMDEN will be going straight back into my cars for more content for you guys. Just so you know, it's going to a good cause. I want to make a deal with you guys. If you get this video to 1,000 likes, I'll engine swap the car, all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive convert it, whatever the top comment is, and I'll make sure it gets on the track. But until then, the car's just gonna stay here.